Most of you must be familiar with Syntoss Plus, the bond pasting syringe, one of the best-selling DSI biomaterials. Yet today, I would like to talk about his younger brother, a great and undeservedly forgotten material called Syntoss Plus. In today's video, we will kill two birds with one stone. First, we will quickly go through the educational views and benefits of the material, and then we will teach you how to use this material correctly for the maximum effect. This is Saul from DSI. In my video blog, today's rubric is Great Material That Remained in the Shadows. DSI Syntoss Plus is a two-syringe system, carefully developed to simplify the bone grafting procedures. A pure synthetic material based on tricalcium phosphate formula, coated with a thin shell of biodegradable copolymer called polylactide glycolide and solvent. The ease of use and a quick hardening makes it perfect for the maxillary region. It also aims for the immediate socket filling after the surgical extraction of the tooth. The mixing process of the Syntoss Plus granules with the solvent forms a plastic material with a high micro and intergranular porosity. The material granules quickly penetrated by blood, and the full process of the resorbation takes about 9 months and happens in a parallel with the bone tissue regeneration. Open the sterile Tyvek packaging and remove both syringes. Pull the plunger backwards to start the activation process. Tap and shake the black and white syringe well to unstick the granules inside. This is important for even distribution of the catalyst. While holding the syringe with the wider part upside, pull out the plunger completely. Now open the cap of the green catalyst syringe. Transfer the liquid contents of a green syringe inside the black and white syringe with the Syntoss material. Return the plunger, moving it back and forth a few times, wetting the granules. Lean against the gauze pad and remove the surplus liquid. Syntoss Plus material is now ready to use introduction into the defect. In this video, we used a body temperature distilled water to emulate the bone defect. Upon contact with the blood or liquid at body temperature, the material takes the form of bone defect and quickly hardens, forming an ideal and mechanical stable environment for further suturing and membrane placement if necessary. Syntoss Plus is an excellent binder for other granular augmentation materials and prevents particle migration. It can be used as a barrier over other bone graft material, supporting predictable outcomes. Syntoss Plus may be used as the bonding composite graft or by itself. It boosts other grafting materials for the augmentation of large defects and can be used alone for small defects or socket preservation procedures. Initially pliable, paste sets within 2 to 5 minutes, allowing both a significant reduction of procedural time and excellent handling. Setting is not affected by the presence of blood or saliva. Syntoss Plus is purely synthetic and does not contain any components other than calcium phosphate. The unique porous structure of Syntoss Plus allows infiltration of growth factors through its micropores, as well as angiogenesis and cell proliferation through its micropores. Syntoss Plus completely resorbs, leaving behind the newly regenerated natural bone. Syntoss Plus, another great product brought to you by DSI.